Hello, first graders. 5-15-20. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. We are working on letters E and F today in our memory books. You will draw a conclusion about a habitat. We have our class meeting at 11. I cannot wait to see you there. You have art. Be kind to one another. Hugs, Miss Anderson. All right, so your big to-dos of the day, Friday. It's Friday, you guys, we made it. Good job. I'm super proud of all of your hard work. So today, remember, always reading for 15 minutes. I want you to peek around the virtual classroom again and see what's new there. We are going to be doing some drawing conclusions, so you're going to listen to our story that we've been listening to yesterday. You're going to listen to it again today about plants and their habitats, and then you are going to pick a habitat and draw a conclusion about that habitat. Remember, before you hit add response after listening to the story, listen to the instructions. They're written, or you can hit play and listen to them. And you can always go back to them while you're working so you remember what to do. If you have any questions, you can ask Miss Anderson on Seesaw or have mom or dad or someone send me an email. So that's one of the big things, that we're working on today. And then we have our memory book, letter E and F. So look in the virtual classroom for those videos and examples. And then we have our class meeting at 11 today. So I will get to see all of you at 11 o'clock. And one final thing before you go get to your learning today. Happy birthday, Neve! We wish you a very, very happy birthday. And boys and girls, Miss Anderson linked a Go Noodle on our virtual classroom. And the one that I did is a birthday one, so it will be a surprise which birthday one I picked for Neve. So if you want today, you can wish Neve a very, very happy birthday. All right, Neve, I hope that you have the most fabulous Friday. And first grade friends, enjoy the day learning. I will see everybody at 11. Bye.